So today we are going to talk about the sheet protection in Excel. So we will be applying this sheet protection in this Excel. So we have just made up a table to, as an example, we have taken 10 students and their marks in a subject. The total marks are 100. So based on this, passing mark is 40. Based on this, the result is pass or fail. So we are going to apply this sheet protection method in this Excel table. So there are three ways in which you can protect the sheet. First is when you want the whole sheet to be protected, you don't want anyone to change any cell in the sheet. So you can do it by this method. So you just have to protect the click on protect sheet. You go to review, then click on protect sheet, and then use some password. So here we have used 0. So you can also use anything you want. So this is protected now. Now if you want to change any, if you want to make any change, just type anything. And this is the warning message you get. You cannot type, you cannot make any change. So this is the first method. On protect the sheet. So the sheet is unprotected. The second method is, suppose if you want few cells that can be changed. In this example, suppose if you want marks obtained to be changed, these cells you want to be changed. Now what you do, you just go to this tab. No, at first, if you click on any cell and right click go to format cells, you will find that in protection tab, locked is always on. So by default, the lock is on for each and every cell in the Excel. It is by default. Now you can make this locked cell does not have any independent meaning. It has no meaning unless until you protect the sheet. But suppose if you want these values to be changed, in the second case you want these values to be changed, and all of the tabs, all of the cells to be protected, just select these cells, go to format cells, go to protection, and remove this locked. Now if you protect the sheet, you can change these values, but you cannot change these values because you had removed that locked from only these cells. So this is the second method in which you can change only few cells and all other cells are as it is, and these are all protected. So this was the second method. And the third method of uh, protecting the sheet is in which you want only few cells to be protected and all other cells to be unprotected. Now for this, we need to go back to this tab and go to, now firstly you need to unprotect. Now the sheet is unprotected. Go to this and go to format cells and remove this locked. So now you need to select only those cells that you want to be protected. So here we are going to see only we are going to select only these things, the result values and pass or fail from here to here. That is E7 to E15. Now select these, go to format cells, and in protection, just select this locked option. The locked option you need to select it. That's okay. Now if you protect the sheet, now you have protected the sheet, you will find that you can change these values. You can change any value. You can write something here also. You can write anything, anywhere, because the whole sheet is unprotected. Only cells, these are the cells which are protected, but you cannot write it here. So thus we have found that how the sheet can be protected. The first step is you need to change the right click on this, select the tab which you want to be changed, go to format cells, go to format cell and select as your requirement is. So I hope you understood this uh, seed protection method, and we'll be making these kind of videos in future. Please subscribe our channel.